This is an informational video pertaining to the wide range of technology courses offered at Orchard Park High School. This video is meant to help students decide what tech electives they would like to take for their upcoming high school career.
Digital Imagery and Photoshop is a half-year course that shows students how to edit, enhance, combine, and manipulate images captured from a camera. You will use cameras, computers, scanners, printers, and Adobe. There will be an emphasis on composition, which will help you understand lighting, design, color, visual impact, and technology.
Basic Auto is a hands-on class which gets students with little to no experience with cars and auto mechanics to learn the basics. This includes tire care, fluid checks, detailing, and more day-to-day maintenance problems.
This class is super hands-on, and the teacher is awesome, and we always do every day we learn about something different, and it's always cool because it's everything's super hands-on and fun to do, and it's always interesting.
And if you want to learn the basics of auto mechanics, this is the class for you. If you want to learn about brakes, tires, basically anything that's basic about auto mechanics, this is the class for you.
Media productions and communication systems are classes all about the making and editing of videos. You will be asked to write scripts, record footage, and edit the footage using Adobe Premiere or WeVideo. Some of the projects include a horror movie trailer, recreating a scene from a movie, and green screening. Also, if you enjoy editing, you can join the QTV Club, a club all about the making of the morning announcements.
Tech Drawing is a course focused on covering a wide range of experiences in the use of drafting instruments, scales, and types of drawings. This class is a great basis for work in drafting. Layout, lettering, geometric construction, dimensioning, and development will all be taught throughout the class. This is a good introductory course for computer-aided design.
It's a lot of fun. It's a way of learning math in a different way, a way I never thought I could learn math. It's eye-opening. It's a lot of fun. I got the greatest teacher I could for this class. Overall, it's just a really fun class, and it helps you for future careers in engineering and architect. And it's so much fun. I like connecting with the people in this class. They're all really fun. Only good people in this class.
Computer-aided drawing is a half-year course where students will engage in many aspects of engineering. You will make solid models of 3D machine parts, animated computer models, create ANSI or ISO standard drawing sheets, assemblies, and animations. You will also be outputting drawings to a 3D printer.
Wood Tech is a basic course where students get to work on hands-on activities to fabricate and manufacture wood products. Students will use project problem-solving skills, building of and utilizing fixtures, and designing products to build in an industrial setting. Wood Tech offers a variety of new skills and experience with machinery such as drill press, different types of belt sanders, circular saws, and more. This course allows a student to express their creativity in a hands-on designing and assembly environment.
Civil Engineering and Architecture is a year-long course that provides students with an overview of the fields of engineering and architecture, while providing knowledge of the interior design and construction. You'll also learn about the roles of civil engineers and architects, project planning, site planning, building design, and utilizing survey equipment.
Home Maintenance is a course meant to educate students on how to take care of and maintain a house. This class will teach students how to save time, money, and themselves from frustration when their house is in need of repair. This course grants students access to tools and hands-on repair activities that will prepare them for the future. This class is perfect for anyone who plans on being a homeowner, as well as preparing potential plumbers, electricians, and other trades.
Entrepreneurship in Production Systems is a full-year course where students apply entrepreneurial ideas to a product design and develop a business plan to form a corporation. Students will be introduced to the design and production process as well as the business and marketing process. Units will consist of design, development, prototyping, production, marketing, and sales.
Photography 1 and 2 are two successive courses that follow the photography process from framing and taking your picture all the way up to making it look professional and perfect with photo editing software. Photography 1 will introduce the students to the history of photography and all that it encompasses. This includes the working of and utilization of lenses, digital printmaking, introduction to digital photography, Adobe Photoshop, and presentation of the photography. Photography 2 is a more in-depth course where students will learn to use advanced techniques and processes used in digital photography. Photo 2 is a perfect outlet for students to express their creativity through applications and investigations. A camera is required for both courses, and Photo 1 must be taken before Photo 2.
Construction Technology is a full-year course on the construction of residential buildings. Students will experience the planning and construction of structures using a variety of materials and equipment. You will also learn how to work with blueprints as well as listing and estimating materials.
Small Engines class gives students the opportunity to work on a basic lawnmower engine firsthand. This teaches the students how a small engine works both inside and out and how to fix and repair them.
I really like how the entire time we're all working on things, we're learning how engines work, we're learning how to use tools, and I think it's just a really great experience. You should join this class.
Computer Applications is a half-year class with an emphasis on digital skills that will allow for easier communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking through technology. Students will have the opportunity to learn basic document, spreadsheet, and presentation software, as well as mobile application development for smartphones and tablets.
DDP is a class geared towards students interested in designing, assembling, and testing projects. Students will learn to produce their own projects from start to finish and gain a wide range of skills while utilizing 3D modeling software as well as hand and power tools.
We actually get to make stuff. Like, we're making bridges right now, and it's pretty fun. We get to use, like, machines and stuff.
CIM is a course that teaches microprocessors and programming from the ground up. Students will be taught about logic and analog inputs as well as control circuits. Students will use this information to model, design, test, and fabricate a computer-controlled machine. First-hand experience with CNC machines and 3D printers is granted throughout the course. This course will leave students with increased teamwork, logical thinking, and problem-solving skills for future engineering careers and hobbies. POE is an overview of STEM and engineering. This class is geared towards 11th and 12th grade students who are interested in engineering at a college level. Students will explore a wide range of technological systems, manufacturing processes, and how engineers and technicians use math, science, and technology to solve problems. Students will become knowledgeable of social and political consequences of technological change. This course is tailored to what projects the students want to pursue and is very hands-on. Thank you for listening to the Orchard Park High School Technology elective video. The high school has a lot of options for students to choose from that offer a wide variety of skills and experience. If you have any interest in a high school tech elective, make sure to keep it in mind for your high school course selection. Have a great day and stay creative, Orchard Park.